I truly believe that the proper way to do a full BIA is through utilizing a proper relational database, because you don't want to look at a BIA as solely a single team, right? Because the entire organization operates as a machine with a lot of different cogs. And the reality is that where do those cogs sit? Those cogs are your systems, right? And those systems overlap potentially a lot of different teams. And so one system, whatever that core, system might be, it could be have a RTO and RPO for one organization set at 2-3 days, right? But a different organization could be set at 4 hours, right? And so ultimately we want to compile all of that data together, and it still is accurate. And having that department review their BIA section can still be 100% accurate, and yet the system itself has overall RTOs and RPOs that are different from that department because it was set by a different department, right? Yep. So we definitely want this looked at as an overall organizational perspective, not just a single team perspective, but with those organization or those teams do need to evaluate their section of their BIA on an annual basis, as well as your disaster risk assessment, as you add in additional mitigation factors, as other risks to the organization, such as the addition of AI to the environment, right? Might be a new risk that we need to actually take into account. Are our business units utilizing AI that is potentially exposing data to outside organizations that are then able to be used by outside organizations, right? Yep. That is a good example of something that is being done right now that people are now needing to start taking into account into their disaster risk assessment, right? So those have to be evaluated on an annual basis.